Hi, welcome to Magpie channel. I'm Anthony Tran, the strategist for Magpie Research. The value of the US dollar has been up by more than 10% this year, largely because the Fed is increasing interest rates faster than other major countries. After keeping interest rates at nearly zero for much of the COVID pandemic, the central bank started to lift interest rates in March this year. So with higher interest returns, the US dollar is now looking more attractive to investors. But this is not the only reason. Increasing tensions between Russia and the West have also contributed to the strength of the dollar. Russia's recent cut to natural gas supplies has caused significant strains on European countries. This intensified energy crisis has further strengthened the US dollar, with more investors flocking to the dollar as a safe haven, thus pushing the euro, pound sterling, and Japanese yen down to their record lows in the past 2 months. The US dollar, unfortunately, is very difficult for retail investors to profit by borrowing in euros, yen, or pounds and buy US dollars. Coming to the rescue, however, is the Invesco DB US Dollar Bullish Fund, which is an ETF that investors can buy and sell on our Magpie Invest mobile app. This Invesco US Dollar Index Fund tracks the value of the US dollar relative to 6 major currencies. Simply put, when the euro and yen depreciate relative to the dollar, the price of this Invesco ETF will be higher, thus making it a cost-effective choice for investors to bet on a stronger US dollar. This Invesco ETF has gained by more than 14% so far this year, while the S&P 500 has been down by more than 18%. Not only generating high returns, as shown in the chart, but the price movement of this ETF is also quite steady, making it a less risky investment that investors should keep on their radars. The answer is yes and no. A stronger dollar is believed to be able to help contain the rampant US inflation, as a stronger currency can make imports cheaper and trips abroad less expensive. For example, a night out in Rome that once cost $100 now costs only $80. But the picture is more complicated for multinational companies. This is because the revenues and profits earned in foreign currencies are now worth less in US dollar, and the products have become more expensive abroad, making them less competitive globally. Microsoft is a case in point. In early June, the software giant cut its Q4 earnings and sales outlook, citing a stronger dollar is hurting its business as the company gets roughly half its sales abroad. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my views. If you like this video, feel free to drop a like on the video and maybe consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to reach out to us, send us an email, give us a call, or scan the QR code on the screen to download our Magpie Invest app. I've also put the links to the transcript of this video and other Magpie Research in the video description down below.